Hello, and welcome to this video about Safi Syrup and its benefits. Safi Syrup is a natural herbal supplement that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. In this video, we will discuss what Safi Syrup is, its ingredients, how to use it, and its potential health benefits. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for medical advice or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements or starting any new treatments. Safi Syrup is made from a blend of 28 herbs, including senna, neem, and turmeric, among others. One of the main benefits of Safi Syrup is that it is believed to help detoxify the body. The herbs in Safi Syrup are known to have purifying properties, and can help remove toxins from the liver and blood, which can improve overall health. To use Safi Syrup, it is recommended to take 10 milliliters of Safi Syrup mixed with water twice a day, preferably in the morning and evening, after meals. Shake the bottle well before use and store in a cool and dry place. Another potential benefit of Safi Syrup is that it may help improve skin health. Some of the herbs in Safi Syrup, such as neem and turmeric, have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help reduce acne and other skin conditions. Safi Syrup is also believed to have digestive benefits. The senna herb in Safi Syrup is a natural laxative, which can help relieve constipation and improve digestion. Additionally, some of the other herbs in Safi Syrup can help soothe stomach irritation and promote healthy digestion. So there you have it, a brief overview of Safi Syrup and its potential health benefits. However, it is important to note that while Safi Syrup may have some health benefits, it is not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any health concerns, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements or starting any new treatments.